Papayas are a delicious fruit with some interesting culinary properties, but can they be useful if you're trying to lose weight? And do they have any properties that make them good for weight loss? Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Young, a naturopathic doctor in Toronto. Let's take a look at papayas and if you should eat them for weight loss. Papayas are a fruit high in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Papayas also contain papain, an enzyme that helps to break down protein. Many cooks use papain to help tenderize meat. Papain is also sold as a supplement to help with protein digestion. Although most of us throw out the small black seeds found in the middle of papayas, a lot of people will actually grind the seeds and use them as a tasty alternative to freshly ground peppercorns. Reportedly, it tastes slightly bitter and peppery. Some research also suggests that the compounds found in papayas may also be helpful for inflammation and might have some benefits for heart health due to their good antioxidant concentrations. So, are papayas good for weight loss? Let's go over some of its strengths and weaknesses. Strength: helps with digestion. The enzyme in papayas can help individuals on high protein weight loss diets to properly digest the meat and protein they're eating. If you're getting a lot of indigestion or gas on a high protein diet, it may be that your body is having problems breaking down all the additional protein you're eating. In this case, having a little bit of papaya after your steak may help to settle your stomach. Weakness: high in sugar. Papaya tends to be one of the sweeter fruits, and this makes them taste great. However, this means you will need to limit your intake to having them as treats or desserts, rather than a full main course or a meal. Strength: decent dietary fiber. Papayas have a decent amount of dietary soluble fiber and water, helping to bulk out your stomach and make you feel fuller right away. The soluble fiber also helps to offset the higher sugar content of papayas, making it a food with a moderate glycemic index. So, despite papaya being higher in sugar, the soluble fiber prevents the sugar from causing as much weight gain as other sugar carbohydrates. Overall, papayas can be a part of a weight loss diet, especially if the diet you're following is a higher protein diet, and you're not used to eating a lot of meat and protein in the past. However, due to their higher sugar content, you might want to limit their intake to a side dish, a topping, or a dessert. My suggestion is to treat papayas as a great dessert alternative, especially if you have a sweet tooth. You don't need to completely avoid all sweet foods on your weight loss diet. Following a diet that's too extreme and cuts out an entire food group may be unsustainable in the long term and increase the risk of you falling off your diet. So if you really enjoy papayas, feel free to enjoy a little bit. Just make sure you're controlling your portion sizes, like limiting yourself to having, say, no more than half a papaya a day. Do you have papayas on your weight loss diet? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like. As before, I'm Dr. Brian Young, bringing you weight loss info on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're interested in learning more, and share it with someone you know can use the help.